Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a custom homepage in Google Chrome on your PC. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open your Google Chrome browser. Here I'm gonna do it. So here it is. And after then, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. And then choose Settings. And now from the left menu, click on Startup. And now select the option Open a specific page or set of pages. Now click on Add a new page and then enter the URL you want as your home page. For example, google.com. And then click on this Add button. And that's it. Next time you open Chrome, it will load your custom homepage automatically. And that's how set a custom homepage in Chrome on PC. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to this channel. See you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.